this is me. I want to make a video for my mom, but anybody else can appreciate this too. But I wanted to share this with my mom. I'm on the beach in Nice. Well, it's right outside of Nice. It's Cognes-sur-Mer. And Mama, here's the sound of water. And when the waves go back out, they make this sound across the rocks, like a little roar. So listen. Listen now. It's the sound of the rocks hitting each other after the water pulls it. So that's how rocks get like you know, softened by water. It's stuff like this. So I thought that was really cool. Maybe Mama likes that sound. Alright, bye. Oh, this is where we are right now. Sunset on the beach outside of Nice.